What's up, everybody? It's Stasser. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over how I made $320 profit today trading GUSH, and I also wanted to talk about Tesla. And both of these stocks slash ETFs are having green days today, and I covered both of them in my video on Monday. If you guys were able to catch that one, it's the top 3 stocks slash ETFs that I'm trading in the third week of March in 2018. And I talked about both of these and why I saw potential in them, and I profited on both of them. And I just wanted to cover my plan with GUSH and how I profited on that first. And let's just hop right into the topic of this video, guys. So we can see right here in this Think or Swim TD Ameritrade's platform, right? We can see that GUSH is on an ascending uptrend pattern, and by that I mean it's creating higher lows, and we can see that indicated by this drawing right here, right? And we were able to get into GUSH when it was at its low point right around here, right? And that's a great buying opportunity visibly. We can see that, right, because we see a support level right at about $20 to $21, and that's exactly the price range where GUSH was at. And we've been watching this one for a couple weeks now, as you've been watching on my channel. So we can see that there's been a common pattern with GUSH, right? We see that there's a resistance level here at about $23, $24, right? About $24. And we can see that there's a common support level at $20 as well. And yesterday, or Monday, when I took the position on GUSH, we got in right around $21.40. We were able to see that it stayed above this trend line that it was following, right? It was forming an uptrend pattern and it was starting to reverse. And that's where we were able to get in after we called it out on Monday's video. So we got in on at about $21.40, and I wrote it up. I held it for 2 days. I sold today. Today's Wednesday. I actually set a limit order for $23, guys. I'm kind of bummed out about this a little bit because I set a limit order at $23 and I wasn't watching it throughout the day, and it actually blew past that. As we can see right here, it's at $24.64. I actually missed out on about 7%, but at the end of the day, guys, profit's profit. We got $300 profit just for 2 days, so I'm pretty happy about that, but I did miss out on about $400, so that's kind of sucky, but profit's profit, and I'm going to learn from this for next time. So that's how I made $300 on GUSH. And if we go a little bit closer, I can show you guys this particular pattern that we've been watching and that we've been trading with GUSH. We see, like I said before, it tops off here at about $23.90, $23.80, $24. That's a solid, resistance level. And we can see it fell here. This is where I saw GUSH and where I saw potential in it. It fell down below this. It broke the pattern, right? And it was at $20.86. I was not able to buy here, but I was able to buy at $21.50, like I said. And then I wrote it up. See, we see a lot of potential with GUSH. This day in particular, it was up pre-market hours, and right off the bat, it started trending up, and I just made a position and wrote it up to here. And I see a lot of value in this particular ETF, guys, and I really just recommend everybody to trade ETFs and stocks that they see the most value in and that they understand. And this one, guys, as it is right here, it's obvious and it makes sense according to this particular pattern. Over the 20 days, that once it hits here, it's going to bounce up and it's going to create a newer high, and that's exactly what it did. And that's exactly what I was waiting for with GUSH. So that's how I made $320 trading GUSH, right? And if we go to Tesla, which is another stock that I called out on Monday's video that I talked about, and this one's a little bit easier to understand. If we look closer here, actually, we can look right here. We see a clear support level at $310, and that's exactly where we were watching Tesla and where I was looking for it to start bouncing and pretty much reversing at that particular price point. That's exactly what it started to do today, and I see it running back up to about $340, $350. But before I get into that, if we look closer here, guys, at the 10-day chart, let's say, we see that Tesla hit lows at 310, and this is the exact same support level that I was talking about before. And today we saw it bounced up all the way to 320, right? So I was able to get in today at about $312. As I mentioned in Monday's video, I wanted to see a uptrend confirmation from Tesla, and we saw it break above the EMA line right off the bat. It had another really strong early morning run today, right, all the way up to the 320s, as we can see. And, I was able to get in at $312. I wrote it up to $320. That's where I took profits. And that's an easy 2.5% potential profit that I took today trading Tesla. And I'm all about day trading and swing trading in stocks that I see value in and that I've traded a bunch in the past. And Tesla, like Gush, is one that I've been trading a bunch. And it's all about sticking to your gut, sticking to what you know. And that's how I made 2.5% profit on Tesla today as well. So I see a lot of value in these particular stocks and ETFs that I talk about on this channel, guys. And I just like sharing with you my journey in the stock market. And it's been very fun doing it with this channel. I really hope you guys have been enjoying these particular videos that I've been making. And I hope I've been bringing value to you guys. But again, make sure to do your own due diligence, do your own research when trading all these different stocks. Do not trade them based upon anybody else's opinion, because that's how you'll get screwed in the stock market. That's how you're going to be guaranteed to lose money, because if you don't know how these stocks move, if you haven't studied the charts, if you haven't put in the time and the work, you just won't really understand how they move at the end of the day, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfs_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description. I actually post all of my profits there. So if you guys want to go see the profits that I made today and yesterday, trading Gush, trading Tesla, make sure to go check out my Instagram, and they'll be on my story. So do that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's make some money today. Peace.